Wow, a donut and a ladle. I wonder what they do. No, wait, that's not a real… Yeah. Well, if you can't eat it, wear it. And it protects your pup from getting lost. Now, how about the other one? A nice big ladle can work just as well. And the best part is, your dog can also help you serve soup. Dog umbrella? Wait, how is she going to be able to hold that handle? Something tells me that chain is going to answer that. Right, the hook keeps the umbrella close by while you hold it. Good thing, too. It looks like a real storm out there. And there's even room for two. But the important thing is that the dog's okay. Bonk! Oh. There's something different about this avocado. I just can't put my paw on it. Ah yes, a happy ball. I wonder who it's for. Ah, it's for the cat. Granted, the cat can take whatever it wants. It plays by its own rules. Ah, how'd you do that? Anyone know how you pronounce delicious in cat? Now that's the look of a very satisfied cat. Works better than fresh tuna. How cute. A dog brush. And it even has a little place to hold your soap. Rub-a-dub-dub. This must be a dog's favorite type of bath. The kind that doesn't use any water. But it works. Good thing. Otherwise, he'd be shaking the water off, and we wouldn't get this tender moment. Yes, it's playtime. Bring on the toys. It's like a carrot patch with hidden treasure. Never underestimate a puppy's sense of smell. I sense a pattern. Oh, look under the carrots. Now let's see if we can make our own fun. If you ever wanted to play tic-tac-toe with animals, now you know how. Wait, do you have to eat the treats too? And it looks like we have a winner. And he's such a good sport. Yeah, relax those smile muscles. Seriously, she smiles way too much. But let's try it out on your cat. Wow, he seems to like it. You've got yourself a real Cheshire cat here, don't you? I wonder if it works on pets other than cats. Let's see. This thing seems to be a real crowd pleaser, doesn't it? What cute little mice. And cool, they come in a lot of colors. Makes you wish that real mice were this fun to play with. But as we all know, a cat's favorite toy is the box it came in. Especially when you get to play with it together. Aww. Look, there's a pair of little dog boots and balloons. Good. They look like a perfect fit. Perfect for a winter workout. Keeps those little paws mess-free and looks cute while doing it. Let's try the other one. Cut off the rim of a balloon and add it on. And look, after a walk, the balloon shoes are just as durable. Well, when it comes to your cat's litter box, it's usually for the best to splurge. Cats need their privacy after all. I wonder if they synchronized this in advance. Probably should talk to your vet about this.
Ew.
Yeah, let's not waste a perfectly good sock. Here's a better idea. Let's make our own private litter box.
Cool.
Just need to make a door in this shelf. And add litter to the bottom. Now a cat can walk in whenever they need to. Though seriously, I'd really ask your vet about your cat and produce. From this angle, this thing almost looks like a face. With this pouch, now you can always keep your best buddy close by. After all, why should kangaroos have all the fun? They've had it good for too long. Make sure to zip everything up. How on earth did she get that jacket on underneath? Aww, now you can take your dog on bike rides through the park. Keep him close while doing your laundry and other chores. And even introduce them to various babies. I mean, you probably can do that without a pouch, but where's the fun in that? That lady's just jealous that you have a cuter baby. A licking mat? Oh, and it looks like hanging it up is a breeze. Wow, this should also make bath time a lot easier than usual. Maybe the plastic wrap will work too. Even if it goes on your head? Well, this should keep those aliens from reading your thoughts. Oh, good boy. Doggo stays still during a bath and a manicure. That's a whole spa day. Hopefully, our next tool isn't snot related. Let's see. Sorry, lady, but I think someone flattened your hedgehog, or whatever that is. I'd be careful touching those. Then again, this is a girl who plays with matches. Oh, it helps you scratch using your tongue. Now you and your cat can really bond. No, I was kidding about that. You know that cats can already groom themselves, right? At least the cat seems happy. That's all that matters. And now the cat has yet another fancy toy to ignore. And now he gets his own wardrobe, too. A little big, but maybe he'll grow into it. Oh, wow, look at those nails! We need a manicure, stat! Sure, I've seen green nails before, but that was just paint. Why stop at the nails? Let's take care of that fur, too. Of course, the most important part of a beauty routine, canine or otherwise, is keeping clean. Cue the foam. Still, no true day of pampering is ever complete without some form of facial mask. Finally, something for the hamsters. Wow, this is like the easiest maze ever. You win, and the prize is hamster snacks. Maybe we can have some fun with this tube too.
Ew.
Soon we'll have our own little labyrinth. And we can add extensions too. Just keep on eating chips. Speaking of snacks, either way, he's happy with the end result.